What is the primary concern in the passage? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph introduces JIT as an efficient approach to inventory management, and the second paragraph details how JIT improves market responsiveness and helps maintain a competitive advantage. So overall, the passage talks about JIT as an efficient approach towards gaining a competitive advantage. We need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, how JIT can be implemented with technology. The first half of the passage says that JIT is a common sense approach and can be combined with a little basic technology. However, this reference is limited in scope and cannot be considered the primary concern. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, how JIT converts efficient inventory management into a competitive advantage. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map. Because the mind map talks about JIT as an efficient approach to inventory management and says that it allows companies to maintain a competitive advantage. So this answer choice correctly identifies the main thought in the passage. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C, cost efficiency of JIT. The passage says that JIT reduces the costs associated with the storage of inventory. So it can be inferred that JIT is cost efficient, but this reference is limited in scope and cannot be considered the primary concern. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, how Walmart has become competitive. The second half of the passage indicates that Walmart uses certain technology which offers them market efficiency and a competitive advantage, but this reference is limited in scope and cannot be considered the primary concern. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, why technology is important in inventory management. The passage says that JIT is the idea of managing inventory, and it says that JIT can be implemented with a little basic technology, but the passage doesn't suggest that technology is important for inventory management. Also, to make this suggestion is not the primary purpose of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.